In this video, I will show how to download and install Directx end user runtime web installer. So visit this website page. I will give link in description. Then you will see these options. Here select your language, then download. Now wait for a few seconds. Once this downloading complete, double click on this setup file. If it will ask permission, so click on yes, accept the agreement, next, and click on finish and restart your system. So this is the way guys you can download and install Directx and user runtime web installer. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.